Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Hope everybody's doing good today. Today I have a few items sent to me by MelodySusie. That's at MelodySusie.com. I'll link everything down below for you. And these are affiliate links, so if you click on them, they will at least let them know that I sent you by to have a little look-see. And if you want to purchase something, that'd be great as well. First off, I have their nail lamp and I have their Rebel Hearts gel polish collection. It's a 6-piece gel polish collection, so I'm going to just go over both and swatch out the colors for you today. And I just want to show you the box. Look at this. It's so cute. It's their signature box, just like the nail drill that I had. It's the EOS 9 LED UV nail lamp. And inside the box it comes nice and packaged. Now what I'm liking so far is this cord. It is the longest cord I've ever seen in a nail lamp. It's at least 6 feet long. It's longer than I am tall. It has the nice little plug. It has the US plug and it has an AU plug. So if you're in those countries, it'll work for you. You know, Canada uses the US plug as well. And this is the nail lamp. I'm going to put some images up above. And this one, it says that it cures all gel polishes in 30 seconds and the rest will be 60 seconds. So 30, 60, and you have 90 second, which would be your low heat mode, of course. This is my first time plugging it in. You just plug it into the back. Look at all these air vents. Those are big air vents. I plug it in and it automatically, I had my finger in it so it counted down. Put your hand in, it lights up. Take your hand out, it resets to the time. Let's try 60. Put your hand in, it counts down. Nice big display. It's set up for the nail tech so that the nail tech can work the lamps and it'll be positioned for them to see. The entry hole is over here, so keep that in mind. And let's see if the typical nail artist nail stands will fit in. Here's the typical nail stand with the regular size tips on it. I'm just going to stick it in here. Plenty of room. I'm going to try not to hit the sensors. As you can see, I'm going to put some dimensions up on the screen as well. There is plenty of room. And let me see if real quick if I can double stack my hands in here, which I do often. Yeah, you can double stack your hands in here. Just like this. This is how I do it. When I cured the stamping polish on this hand, I just double stack it like that. And it does have the detachable bottom with the place for your fingers to go. I know some of you really enjoy that. The thumb, it just won't cure underneath very great. I don't think it could, but mine actually touches, so you wouldn't want to do that. But for those that you can do the forefinger, you can put your thumb in. I would just probably put it right here. So keep that in mind. But that's great for if you have clients. They will have their hands nice and spread. You can take it off to disinfect this. Has the magnets. I'm gonna unplug it real quick. I believe it's 30 lights. You have 30 lights, well dispersed, nice ventilation. Gets you from the sides, it gets you from the top. Big old ventilation holes. I'm like shocked. And I believe it has, yes, it has a 6-month warranty. And it cures in the usual dual wavelength, which is 365 nanometers, 405 nanometers. So it's a dual wavelength lamp, and it's a 54-watt lamp, big power. It's really nice that you can take these off. You can do your feet, and you don't have to get them on this, and you can disinfect these. It's the typical ABS plastic. So I'm going to cure all these gels in this lamp. And look, it will fit my hands side by side as well. And it clicks back on very, very easily, and it holds. It has all their specifications right down here. And if you're the kind of person that doesn't like the reflective bottom because you don't want it to come back up into your eyes because you're sitting above it, that's perfect for you. And it's really, really long. I could put my whole hand in here. So if you have really long nails, it'll fit. I mean, I'll never have nails that long. You could even cure them way out here. have some competition length nails. Onto the gel polishes. I'm going to put some images of the lamp and of what they show for the gel polishes on their website. We have Gold Dust, Silver Springs, Stargazer, Runaway Rose, Purple Haze, and Black Heart. I'm going to get these out of the box. You can see your ingredients. Nothing finicky, nothing fishy about that. 12-month shelf life, how you contact them, their social medias, all your instructions. You can screenshot this if you would like. This is a nice package, easy to gift wrap for someone. Comes in these nice trays. Let me get these out. Oh, and I forgot, they did send me their foundation, which is their base gel, and Top It Off, which is their top coat. I'm going to use this on this as well. So what I'm noticing, first of all, they all have little swatch dots on the top to give you an approximation of the color that's in there. Here's the last three. That's very convenient. I'm going to do one in a typical manner. First, you always want to have your nails clean and dry. Spray it down with some alcohol and get off any cruddy stuff, any lints, anything on there. If you have oily nails, you may want to have a gel cleanser mix, which I will link up in the top corner of the video, how I mix my gel cleanser, my nail cleanser. I'm going to use their foundation gel, which is their base coat, on one nail. Foundation gels are important, especially over natural nails, because they will even out the surface of your nail if you have ridges or whatever. It helps adhere the color, it helps prevent stains. But since I have hard gel on my nails, I don't usually use it. You just apply, don't get it on your skin. And if you need to, you can kind of scrub it into your nail surface a little bit. Just apply it real even. And with gels, you can tip it over all the way upside down, let it smooth out. Especially if you have those nails that need ridge filler normally. And then you pop it into the lamp. Okay, I have the base gel cured for 30 seconds. That's the way you would do it on any of your natural nails. So I'm just going to go over the colors real quick. This is Gold Dust. It's my first time seeing it. I like these bottles. Very unique shape. Oh, wow. Let's do this. So I'm going to give each of these a cure for 30 seconds and come back and top coat them. Up next is Silver Springs. There's actually no indicator on the bottle of the color other than the top, and you can tell that's silver. This is Stargazer. Ooh. This one's called Runaway Rose. Oh, that's so pretty. Well, this one on your regular nails, you'll want to do 2 coats probably, unless you want a super light look. Next up is Purple Haze. Ooh, another pretty. There's not one in here that I don't like so far. Now to the one that I really am curious about. This one's called Black Heart. The color up here just has me curious. Ooh. Let's see. This has got glitters in it too. Ooh, this would be awesome too. This one you will want 2 coats if you want it opaque. I'm going to put 2 coats on this one as well as the pink. And I'll cure all these for 30 seconds. Go on with the second coat. And 2 coats is what would also help prevent chipping. I'm going to start with the top coat. I'm all on this little stand. I'm going to start with the top coat. See how their top coat is compared to some others that I have. This is a nice consistency top coat. Let's see how shiny this is. really does appear to be bringing out the shine in the glitters in these colors. So I'm gonna give them all a 30-second cure. And while they're curing, top coat really has no odor. Base coat, just like normal base coat, it's the same very, very minute odor, but all base gels has that. Nothing terrible. You can't smell it if it's on your fingers. Okay, let's see how this did. Ooh, it's really smooth and shiny. I've had a couple of gels that just weren't very shiny. These are. Ooh. I'm going to take a picture of these colors and put some of the product images. I probably already put some on the screen as we've been going along here. And I'll put some at the end. I'll take some pictures of these in different lighting so you can really appreciate what I'm seeing here. Oh, these are stunning. Again, this was Gold Dust. This was Silver Springs. This was Stargazer. This was Runaway Rose. This is Purple Haze, and this is Black Heart. They all come in this wonderful 6-piece set, and you can buy the top coat and base coat separately. Thank you to MelodySusie for sending me this wonderful lamp and gel polishes. Thank you everyone for watching and being here with me today. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.